This year, classes at Hastings Senior High seem to be bigger and more crowded than usual.
2 years ago, maybe 3, they had to do a reduction in force. Basically, the district didn't have enough money to pay all the teachers that they had, and so they had to choose a subject area to cut a teacher from, and they chose math.
For the senior calculus class with Kirk Ortegren, the classroom space is very cramped and limited. The problem with these crowded classrooms is that students may not be able to focus well or get the help that they want.
A smaller class allows the teacher to just give you like one-on-one attention, and if you need help, you're more likely to get it than a smaller class than a big class.
However, some students like the bigger classes because they feel that all the people know what the coming schedule is and they can work in groups.
I mean, it's easier to connect with everyone in there. When we're working in groups, it's easier to help each other solve out the problems, and if everybody knows each other in there, then everybody can text each other and say, hey, how's that problem going?
Even though group work can be beneficial, these bigger classes have the potential to do more harm than good when it comes to students' grades.
I think the size of class does matter. I think it will affect what kind of grades the kids get, but not as much as the teaching. I think as long as we use good teaching methods and stay on top of things as a teacher, we can still achieve the same results we could with a smaller classroom.
Having these bigger classes also creates a hassle for the teachers with grading and getting things done.
I like to pay attention to what the kids know and what they don't know, and it does make it harder to keep track of that, because when you give a quiz, that's 150 that you have to grade and try and keep track personally of how they're doing. So I think you do lose some of that personal relationship with the students.
The bigger classes is cause for frustration and confusion, but can be beneficial preparation for larger college classes. Chandler Fielder, Tiger Cub Online.